Hi guys, this is Rachel from Cypress Textiles, and today we're going to be making the Baby's Breath motif from the 2024 VVCAL. So I'm just going to start, as always, with a slip knot and chain 3, and then a slip stitch in the third chain from the hook to make a ring. And I'm going to make 3 popcorns in my center ring. So let's see. So the first thing we're going to do is make a beginning popcorn. So I'm going to go straight into this ring with a single crochet, chain 1, and that's going to be the first DC, the beginning DC of the popcorn. Now I'm going to make 3 more double crochet. All right, and now I'm gonna kind of squeeze these stitches together so they're close together on this ring, because I'm gonna have to make 2 more popcorns. Release my loop from the hook and insert my hook front to back through the beginning double crochet, which is gonna be through the chain 1 of that double crochet, beginning double crochet. Grab my working loop and pull it through to the front to close my popcorn. All right, and now chain 4 and make a popcorn, so 4 double crochet. Okay, release the loop from the hook and insert the hook front to back through the first double crochet of these 4. And then grab your loop and pull it through to the front to close your popcorn. And then chain 4, and now we're going to make 1 more popcorn, and then chain 4 again and close the round. So we're going to have 3 popcorns and 3 chain 4 spaces. One, 2, 3, and 4. And now I'm going to close my round. All right, and there we are. That's our center. And now I'm just going to start the next round with a beginning double crochet in this next chain space. So I'm going to go straight into the chain space with a single crochet and a chain 1, and that's going to be the first double crochet of the round. And now I'm just going to do 6 more double crochet in this same chain space. And then in the remaining 2 chain spaces, I'll work 7 double crochet. Okay, and before I go into the next chain space for my 7 double crochet, I just need to make a chain 1. So we're gonna have a little chain 1 space in between these 7 double crochet. Now I can go into my next chain space. 7 double crochet, chain 1, and then 7 double crochet in the final chain space, chain 1, and then close the round to finish. Okay, so I've joined my round into the chain space of that beginning double crochet, and now I'm going to go into the next stitch with a single crochet chain 1. So that's going to be another beginning double crochet there, single crochet, chain 1, and then chain 1 again as a chain space. Now just double crochet in the next stitch and chain 1, and you're just going to repeat that all the way around. Double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1. All right, and that's how we're looking so far. Okay, so the round is complete, and I've made double crochet also in those chain spaces. I didn't mention that, but you're just going to make your double crochet in every stitch and space around. So all these 3 chain spaces, they also have double crochet chain 1. All right, so there is our round complete. I joined with a slip stitch in the chain 1 of the beginning DC, and I left that second chain 1 of the round unoccupied so I can go into it as a chain space. So the first thing I'm going to do is this next round is going to be a treble bobble round. So it's this round here, And some of you guys like to work this round from the wrong side and some like to work it from the right side. It doesn't matter whether you turn your motif over and work it from that side or if you just keep going with the right side facing. I'm going to do the right side facing for this video. So into this chain space, I'm going to make a single crochet, and then I'm going to put 2 wraps for a treble on my hook, and then I'm going to go into this next stitch, make my treble crochet, and you can see my treble crochet is kind of held down by that single crochet that's next to it, so it's like bending over, and then whenever you push that stitch to the front and work into this next chain space with a single crochet, it's going to stick out to the front like this, and that's what makes your little treble bobbles. Some folks have a difficult time working these from the right side of the project, but if you turn your project, you might find it's easier to work them from that side. So you can see how it's sticking up from the front, and because it has a single crochet on either side. So we're just going to do treble crochet in the next stitch and single crochet in the next stitch. Just make sure you push it forward to the front. Some folks will work this round from the right side and then say, all my treble bubbles are sticking out at the back of the work. And if that's you, just frog that round and then work this round with the wrong side facing. So turn and then turn back for the next round. Okay, so I'm just working a few stitches so I can kind of show you what this looks like in real time and also show you how it's looking so far. And then I'm just gonna finish the round. Okay, so here's how it's looking so far. My little treble bubbles sticking forward, and I'm just going to go all the way around in the same manner and then join in the first single crochet. Okay, so that round is complete, and now I'm ready to work my next round. I'm going to slip stitch in this treble crochet, and then I'm going to make a single crochet in my next single crochet. So you're only going to be working into the singles for this next round, and you're going to skip all these treble stitches here. So we're going to chain 3, single crochet in the next single crochet, chain 3 all the way around, and then whenever you get back to your first single crochet, go ahead and slip stitch to join. Okay, so you're just jumping over the trebles with this chain 3 space. Okay, so my chain space round is finished, and now we're going to do the second to last round here. Straight into this chain space, we're going to make a beginning half double crochet, which is really the same as a beginning double crochet. So we're just going to single crochet, chain 1, and it's just going to reach the height of a half double instead of a regular double. So now I'm just going to make 2 half double crochets in the same chain space. Okay, so that's going to be 3 half doubles, including this beginning one. And now in the corner, we're going to do double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And now over the next 3 chain spaces, we're going to do 3 half double crochets in each one. Okay, so I'm just doing 3 half doubles in every chain space over these next 3 chain spaces. All right, so there we go. And now I'm to my corner again with double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay, and that's how we're going to complete that round all the way around, so we're back to the beginning. All right, so I wanted to show you before I close my round that the final stitches that I made were these final 6 half double crochet before joining into the first half double crochet here. So we're going to go straight into this chain space with a slip stitch. And now for the next round, all we're going to do is place a single crochet in all of these 11 stitches here, the 9 half doubles and the double crochet on either side of that on the sides. So that's going to be making single crochet in all of those stitches and then 3 singles in the corner chain space. All right, and just make sure, because working into half double crochet can sometimes be a little confusing, your final stitch count is going to be 84 single crochet. And so just in case you want to double check that you have the right amount of stitches. So just working single crochet in all these stitches, and once I get to a chain space corner, I'm making 3 single crochet in that corner. And this is how your motif will look when it's complete. And this has been the Baby's Breath motif from the 2024 Vibrant Vintage Crochet Along. I'll see you on the next one.